All right, here's the One City Place building, but I don't think we're going to enter here since this is private property. Elinor. Yeah. Well, let me take off my charges so I don't fail it. Let me put it in my pocket. Yes. This is a huge skyscraper, Elinor. Yeah. Look nice. Let's see if we can try S. Alright, so let's take this one. This one goes to the parking garage. Alright. This is the elevator at One City Place, White Plains, New York. But we have to be quiet since this is private property. This one that goes down to the parking garage, Elinor. Yeah. After this, here's the parking garage. Here's the main elevator. So we're gonna go ride it soon. Let's get Zeke. Alright, Zeke. Here we are at the parking garage at One City Place. Oops. Sorry. Alright. We're at the One City Place parking garage. I guess we're not going to enter here, but let's go back up. Look at these buttons. We're gonna go ride it later. Look at these elevator buttons. Let's start with this one. Oh, it's a Schindler. Let's see. Let's go to the roof. Car B. Oh wow, it's kind of similar to the JW Marriott in Washington, D.C. We're gonna go to the roof. Handicap. Car A. Alright, here it is. Oh, it's a ThyssenKrupp. Going to the roof. Door close. Here we go. It's a high-speed elevator. It's like an observation deck to me. Yeah. They're kind of similar to the World Trade Center elevators. This elevator that goes up to the 35th or 36th floor. Here's Ben & Jerry's. I don't know what's this. Well, it might be for guests. Here we are at the roof. My ears are popping. You're about to see the New York City skyline. Or it might be restricted. Alright, let's just go back down. This is restricted. Let's see if it works. Take this one. It's coming. Alright, here's car A and B. Elevator button burned out. Oh, it's here. Alright. I don't know if the elevator's coming, but it's coming. It's coming. Oh, okay about that. Wait, going down. All right, so we're going down. It's a little private property, but say yes if you like this elevator, or say no. We did not get busted. Well, this is restricted. But let's just get a cabbie right here. These are ThyssenKrupp. They're kind of similar to the World Trade Center. All right, so everybody, we're going to stop the camera since it's private property, so that's it. This elevator is strange. I just want to go back down to lobby. But let's just get a cabbie right here. Alright, that's it. Somebody's going down. Right here, this is the 35th floor. As you can see here, but we're not going to take Alright, there's 35th floor, but we're not going to take a look. But let's just go back down to the ground floor. Alright. We'll go back down to the ground floor. Let me get Fluttershy. Sorry about that. Alright, that's it. It might be coming. Alright, everybody. What do you think about this? Yes. Fluttershy. See the flowers going by. My ears are popping. Alright, here we have the ground floor. We're gonna stop the camera since there's security camera.
Ground floor.
Here's independent service. Wow. Like these elevators. It's Otis. Alright, let's do handicap. Let's go to B3. Alright, let's do one more ride of this. Alright everybody, we couldn't do the Epic Mortar to the second floor, but at least I got the Schindler HT elevator for 330. 330 buttons, I'm not sure. I think it's HT elevator. I got a little busted. Well, they said it's not allowed here. Nobody called the cops on me. Please note, photography is not a crime. Here's some two buses that goes to Rockland County. Lot J, I don't know what does Lot J mean. Maybe it's the mall parking garage. I got a little busted in this location. Well, at least I filmed the elevator. Remember everybody, photography is not a crime. And I got a little busted. Well, he was not mad at me. He just want me to explain. Well, I wasn't disrespectful to him. Anyways, we did all of the 3 of the Westchester County White Plains parking garage tours. I think we're gonna skip 15 North Broadway because I don't want to get busted again, because last time the 15 North Broadway elevator got a phone call back in 3 years ago. So we're gonna skip 15 North Broadway, or do the lower level is the 448 Hamilton Avenue, which is right to the lower level. All right. Anyways, that's it. Hope you like it. I think there is Malik and Zadie plush. Well, I already got the Zeke. Well, maybe we'll use that for the other cities besides White Plains, but maybe for Malik and Zadie plush, I'm going to get it on eBay. It's still on there. Well, it's not actually a plush, just like Zeke.